importantly, of the 7 agenda that we could not take up today, the GOMs are also part of those 7 which we couldn't take up. There were 2 GOM issues which had to be discussed. One relating to the capacity-based taxation on tobacco and gutkha, and the other relating to the setting up of a tribunal, GST tribunal. So both these have not been taken up. So leaving aside that, in sequential order, about 7 agenda points were attended to, and one which related to data sharing was also taken up. So
the first report that you mentioned about casinos, etc., and online games, that was received only a couple of days ago, so there was not much time. Even if we had circulated it, the members, honorable members of the council would not have got time, and so that's why we have decided we did not circulate it. So it was not part of the agenda of this particular GST council meeting. Insofar as the second report, GUM report, that could not be considered because of scarcity of time, as the honorable minister has already pointed out.